Hello, my name is CJ Gray and I am doing drones in agriculture. So the overview is I will be talking about pest control, crop sustainability, and livestock management and how drones make all these more efficient. First thing, pest control. Pest outbreaks are usually not uniform, meaning they are kind of sporadic. They pop up at certain or different times of the season. Different pests attack different parts of the crop. Some pests attack the outside of the field, while others attack more of the interior. And if you have a large field, it could be hard to observe and manage these pests. Drones can be used in different ways. They identify pest hotspots. So if you have a pest outbreak, it can identify the location of where it's at, and then you can have precision control systems to actually identify in that area where exactly they are attacking your crops. Drones also have remote sensing capability, which means you can have a ton of crop land and still be able to get good pictures and feedback, even if you have acres of land. Crop sustainability, which this goes along with pest control. So drones can cover an extremely large area of land. They can cover miles in just a few minutes. So this means that you can get eyes on your crops via a camera or video recording in just a few minutes. And this is great because you can have a lot of farmland and be able to easily manage it. And a lot of people use these drones for fertilizing or also pest control, spraying weed killer or fertilizer. These drones are pretty big, as you can see in the first picture. They hold a lot of fertilizer and can get a field fertilized in only probably half the time that it would take someone to normally do it. The last topic is livestock management. Drones can be used for inspection of your livestock. If you can tell if any of your cattle are sick or injured, a drone will be able to pick that up very quickly. You can also count the cows, see how many cows you have, if there's any missing, or also you can be able to inspect the fence line, make sure you don't have any of your fences down. That way predators can get in or your cows could get out. You can also inspect water tanks, make sure those are functioning properly, and then also barns, make sure they're structurally still up and able to hold livestock. And you can do this all via drone. Also, drones can be used for breeding management. In the bottom picture, I read an article about a guy who put these patches on the cows, and when a bull mounted the cow, it would turn bright red or orange, like a neon color. And so you can be able to clearly see that from a drone, the color change, and that way you know if a cow has been bred or not. Drones can also be used to herd cattle. The person in the same article said that if he flew his drone down, the cows wouldn't get within 20 foot of it, so he actually set it up to where his drone would herd the cows for him. Drones are also good to know or drones are also good for rotational grazing. This is where you have your cattle in one pasture, and they've ate away all the grass, all the seeds, everything, and you can see if the other pasture is able to hold the cattle now, so that you can rotate them between fields and make sure they have the best food possible. And lastly, these are the resources I used. Thank you.